Commitspark is a CMS that runs on top of GitHub. So let's see how we can use GitHub workflows to make sure that we never break production by publishing bad content. So let's look into our example from last time, where we were a manufacturer of mountain bikes and we want to advertise our mountain bike. So here on this page, what we're missing is a hero component that showcases our bike in action. We want to switch over to Commitspark, and before we start, we want to create a new branch so that any changes that we make don't affect production. So let's say 656, we want to add our hero component. Let's go into the page and do that. Here, this is our body text. This is our product features. So we'll add the hero component. And we'll add an image. And here in image ID, we've agreed with our developers that we should use the product article number as an image ID. But for the purposes of this demo, I want to put an invalid ID for now. So let's move this up and let's save this by committing. So this change is now contained in a branch, but we obviously want to get it into production. So let's open a pull request. We'll go from our feature branch into the main branch, which is the production branch. Now, right away, we can see that merging is blocked, and we didn't pass our requirements tests. Going on GitHub, we can see that in our pull requests, we actually have a workflow that has been executed, or it's actually still running here, and we'll see what happens. And the way GitHub is set up is that we must pass our validation checks before we can publish. If we don't, we cannot publish. And as you can see here, our checks have failed, and this was intentional for this demo. And we can see that we have an invalid image ID in one of our pages. And it also left a comment for us. And we can see the comment as well inside Commitspark, so your content editors don't have to jump over to GitHub. Now, let's fix the image ID and see what happens. If we look again on GitHub, we'll see that our pipeline is running again. So our pipeline is finished and it's all green now. So we're good to merge. Now, if we jump back to Commitspark, we can see that the status here has changed. And in case we want to review our content manually, not just through the workflows, we can do that here as well and look at the changes in detail. So here our hero component has been added. We can see that the image ID is valid now. And let's merge this. Okay, the merge was done. And if we now look on our demo website and we reload, we'll see that our image has appeared. So this was a short demo of how you can use GitHub workflows to make sure that your content editors can only publish valid content. To learn more about Commitspark and our other features, such as the GPT-4 integration, go to commitspark.com.